Principal Secretary to the Chief Minister has now been hospitalized after he complained of uneasiness while he was summoned for questioning by the customs in connection with the gold smuggling case. He is admitted to the intensive care unit and customs officials are also in the hospital.
Shankar, ex-Principal Secretary to the Kerala CM, a key suspect in the Kerala gold scam, was hospitalized on Friday evening just before the customs team reached to arrest him.
At around 5:30 p.m., the customs had asked M. Shivashankaran to be available for questioning. However, M. Shivashankaran said he will make himself available on Monday. That is when customs decided to go to his own house and talk to him, and further which he sensed that he could be apprehended. After getting into the vehicle, it was after 5:45 is about the time when Shivashankar said he's not keeping well and he's feeling uneasy, and he was immediately rushed to the PRS hospital in Karamana.
The gold smuggling racket that has been raging in the state of Kerala for the last 3 months, and pressure is mounting on the CM.
And the issue started from there. Now the people who have been arrested initially, one Swapna Suresh, one Sandeep Nair, one Sarit, but later on their contacts came. It went up to the Principal Secretary of the Chief Minister of Kerala.
Mentioning the ED's sensational disclosure about the possible links of some accused to gangster Dawood Ibrahim's criminal syndicate, the minister made it clear that it is imperative for the CM to break the silence now.
Swapna Suresh, who was accused in the gold smuggling case, had received 1 crore commission. So naturally, the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act came into the picture. CBI is inquiring into that. The Enforcement Directorate, ED, is inquiring into the money laundering aspects of the whole issue. This case is directly linked to the Chief Minister's office, and the Chief Minister has been changing his stand from the day the case was registered, people were caught, and till day before yesterday.
According to revelations made in Kochi's NIA court, during the bail plea, accused KT Ramiz and Shafaruddin smuggled gold from Tanzania to the UAE and from there to India.
कल न्यूज़पेपर्स के माध्यम से हमें यह मालूम पड़ा कि NIA ने कोर्ट में यह सबमिट किया है कि इसके जो तार हैं, ये जो भ्रष्टाचार हुआ है केरल में, उसके तार दाऊद इब्राहिम के कंपनी डी कंपनी से जुड़ा हुआ है। यह कोई साधारण स्कैम नहीं है, इसमें पैसों का हेराफेरी भी है, भ्रष्टाचार भी है, इसमें गोल्ड और टेरर मनी, क्योंकि पूरे विश्व में आज चर्चा का विषय बना हुआ है कि गोल्ड के माध्यम से टेरर फंडिंग किस प्रकार होता है, यह भी एक चिंता का विषय है। पिनरई विजयन जी, जो कि केरल के मुख्यमंत्री हैं, उन्हें इन सब विषयों का पता था, तो स्वाभाविक रूप से the buck stops at the doorstep of the Chief Minister of Kerala, Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan. This is a very serious issue.
The last time when customs had questioned M. Shivashankaran, they had specifically asked M. Shivashankaran to produce documents which talks about his travel to foreign countries. M. Shivashankaran, being somebody who has been working in this position for the last 30 years, he knows that he is in trouble, and this could be the reason that this drama has unfolded today.
The BJP leader also alleged that the Kerala government had tried to destroy the evidence. With more and more evidence coming to the fore, pressure mounts on the Kerala Chief Minister to speak out on the biggest controversy in this election year. Bureau Report, Republic TV.